Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at an essential accessory for owners of the TD TD31LCD or TD31 GPS drone, the original rechargeable battery. This is specifically the 3.7V 1800 mAh version, designed as a direct replacement or an extra power source for those specific models. When you get this battery, the package is straightforward. It contains one single 3.7V 1800 mAh battery. It's presented as an original part, which is often reassuring for compatibility and performance with your specific drone model. The battery itself is made from what's described as sturdy and stable plastic material. This suggests it's built to withstand the typical handling and insertion removal cycles associated with drone batteries. One of the key features highlighted is the built-in protection module. This includes overload protection and short-circuit protection. These are crucial safety features for lithium polymer batteries, helping to prevent potential issues during charging or discharge and offering peace of mind while operating your drone. Knowing these protections are integrated is a significant plus. The battery cell composition is lithium polymer, which is standard for many modern drones due to its energy density and power output capabilities. The 1800 mAh capacity is a key specification. For a 3.7V battery, 1800 mAh represents the amount of charge it can hold. A higher mAh rating generally translates to longer flight time compared to batteries with lower capacity, assuming the drone's power consumption remains constant. So, having an 1800 mAh battery for the TD31LCD GPS drone should provide a decent duration of flight, or at least match the original performance if this is a replacement. The recommended use for this battery is specifically for GPS drones, which aligns perfectly with the TD31 GPS model name. While it's also listed for the TD31LCD, the GPS designation on the battery itself reinforces its intended application, likely optimized for the power demands of GPS-enabled flight. The brand is TD31, which is the manufacturer of the drone itself, further supporting the claim of it being an original or compatible part. The fact that it's listed as included in the requirements suggests it's the standard battery that comes with the drone, making this a perfect option for getting a spare or replacing a worn-out unit. Finally, the information mentions customer service is available if you have any questions. This is always good to know, especially when dealing with drone components like batteries, where compatibility or performance questions might arise. Overall, this TD31 3.7V 1800 mAh battery appears to be a reliable and necessary component for TD31LCD and TD31 GPS drone pilots looking to extend their flight sessions or replace their existing battery. Its stated features like built-in protection and specific compatibility make it a straightforward choice for maintaining optimal performance of these drone models.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.